Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all the viewers of wisdomjobs.com. In this video, I am going to explain one question which might be probable in one of the competitive examinations like CHSL, CGL or NTPC and RRB. So please watch this video and express your queries and doubts in the form of comments at the comment box provided at the bottom of the video. So please do subscribe to our channel wisdomjobs.com because we are going to give you many more questions in the form of videos and they are useful for you, and please like and share these videos to your friends so that they also will be benefited by these videos. And apart from that, this will be a sort of encouragement for us to do more and more videos on these particular topics. The question for this video is the elements which occupy their positions in periodic table just after the members of zero group are. The options given are metals, option B gases, option C radioactive and option D alkali metals. Now let me read out the question in Hindi. वे तत्व जो शून्य समूह के सदस्यों के बाद आवर्त सारणी में अपना स्थान रखते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Okay, that's what is the question. Okay, now let me discuss about the each and every option. Now coming to metals. So if you take a metal, there are many metals in the periodic table. So like starting with lithium. So lithium, next sodium, next here you can take beryllium, here you can take magnesium, okay, and of course here in the downwards calcium, potassium, rubidium, strontium, etc. And of course here aluminium, and of course silicon is not a metal, it is a simple non-metalloid. And here you can have scandium, like that. You can have different elements here, right? So all the metals will they are not after zero group. For example, if you take the second group elements, that is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, they are lying after the first group elements or alkali elements. So they are not. So if you observe the keyword here, after the members of. So after the members of zero group. So this is the keyword for you. Okay. So if you take the second group elements like beryllium, magnesium, calcium and strontium, they are falling after the first group elements, is it not? So they are not after the metals. So obviously if you take some example metals like beryllium, magnesium, calcium and strontium, the zero group, the first group elements are not after the these elements are not after the zero group elements. So obviously the metals is wrong. Coming to gases. Now let me give you some examples of gases. So you can have nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, okay, and if you observe in the next period, chlorine, bromine, okay, and here iodine. So if you observe all these gases, if you take nitrogen, so before nitrogen is there a zero group? What is a group before nitrogen? It is a fourth group, is it not? 4A group. So obviously the zero group members are not after the so if take the example, before this group, nitrogen group, there is no zero group. So obviously this option is also a wrong option. So obviously gases is not a correct option. Now coming to radioactive. Now I'll give you an example of a radioactive element. So you take radium, you can start with francium. So you can start with francium, radium, actinium, thorium, etc. Okay, so if this group, this francium belongs to 1A group, next radium belongs to 2A group. Okay, so if this statement were to be correct, ये जो statement दिया हुआ है वो correct रहना चाहिए, तो ये रेडियम के पहले एक जीरो ग्रुप एलिमेंट होना चाहिए, मगर रेडियम के पहले क्या है? फ्रांसियम है. फ्रांसियम जीरो ग्रुप में मिलता है, फ्रांसियम तो जीरो ग्रुप में नहीं रहेगा, वो 1A ग्रुप में रहेगा. तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? रेडियम के पहले 1A ग्रुप रहा था, उसके वास्ते वो जीरो ग्रुप नहीं है. ओके, तो इसके मतलब हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? रेडियो एक्टिव इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. ओके, मेटल धातु तो नहीं हो सकता है, गैस तो नहीं हो सकता है, रेडियो धार्मिक तो नहीं हो सकता है. आल्कली मेटल्स को एक बार देखा गया तो थोड़ा आल्कली मेटल्स का नाम बोलना रहा तो क्या हो सकता है? सोडियम, उसके पहले लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम एंड सीसियम एंड ऑफ कोर्स फ्रांसियम. और उसके पहले क्या होगा? अभी अभी एक पीरियोडिक टेबल में देखा गया तो एक एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट राइट एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट में जो होगा, एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट में जो होगा आपका ये 1A ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स होगा, इस तरफ आपका 0 ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स होगा। तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा, ये ऐसा पलटाने से क्या लगेगा आपको, ये 0 ग्रुप एलिमेंट और ये 1A ग्रुप एलिमेंट एकदम आजू बाजू रहेगा। तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा, आप द 0 एलिमेंट ग्रुप के बाद में आएगा आपका अल्कली मेटल्स। अल्कली मेटल्स को क्या बोलेंगे, इसको बोलेंगे हम अल्कली मेटल्स। सो these 6 elements are called as alkali metals. So आपका सही उत्तर क्या होगा, the alkali metals are lying just after the 0 group elements. Okay, so your answer would be alkali metals. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have got any queries, please express them in the form of the queries or doubts in the comment box that is provided at the bottom of the video, and as and when we find time, we are going to get back to you and try to solve your queries or doubts. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.